Hey guys, it's Hope. I'm so excited to be back on YouTube speaking to you guys. I've missed you guys so much and I'm so excited to be creating so many more videos for you guys over the summer and just from now on. I'm so excited to be back, and today I'm actually going to be doing a room tour. I haven't done a room tour in so long. It's been about 2 years, and since then my room has completely changed. Last year I actually redecorated my whole room and I'm just so happy with how it is now, and I never showed you guys, so I think it's about time. I'm stoked and I'm excited, and yeah, that was weird. But before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe, do all that fun stuff, hit the bell because YouTube has changed all of this stuff, so just hit the bell, all notifications. You'll see every single one of my videos when I upload if you'd like to. So yeah, also give this video a thumbs up and follow me on all my social media. It'll all be down below. So let's get into this room tour. I'm so excited to show you guys. Let's go. So first up we have my bed. Why am I at this angle, you ask? I have no idea, but I thought this is how I'd show you my bed. Now let's get into the details. I'm so super obsessed with my bed and just the bedding, everything about it. I am obsessed. The two back pillows are from Matalan. The front pillow that says "Let's Stay in Bed" is from Urban Outfitters. That old cat pillow is from Squishmallow. Onto my bedding. My bedding is probably the most favourite bedding set I've had in a long time. It's from Urban Outfitters. I think it's just super pretty and feminine without being too girly. And my throw is also from Matalan. Above my bed I just have some fairy lights, and then going up I have some more fairy lights. So this is my famous wall. Guys, I'm so obsessed with this wall. It makes me so stinking happy. All of the prints apart from the Harry Styles concert poster are from my Shop Bando planner from last year. Fun fact, Shop Bando actually reposted my photo onto their Instagram account, and that was just so cool for me. They have over 500,000 followers on their Instagram, and they reposted my photo of my wall because I used the prints from my planner as wall art, and it was just super cool. That literal photo on their account has 5,000 likes, and I'm lucky enough to get 100 likes on my own Instagram, so seeing that was amazing and people loved it, and I'm obsessed. It's probably one of the best things I've done for my room. I'm obsessed. So coming away from my door I just have this little corner, and the long brown bit is just my wardrobe, but yeah, in this corner I just have this print that I got from TK Maxx. The little hanging macrame thing is from Matalan, my guitar is Fender, and my letterboard is actually from Home Bargains, super cute. And then on my wardrobe I have this plant, and that's from IKEA. Now we have my wardrobe. Now this is really difficult to show, but my wardrobe is from IKEA. I've had it a really long time, and I have mirrored doors. That's why you can see me right now. But yeah, it's just an IKEA wardrobe. So yeah, this is my wardrobe. I really like this wardrobe. It lets in a lot of light. It's really good for taking pictures and checking my outfit. So let's move on to the next corner. Next up we have my windowsill. I love this windowsill. Those fake cactuses there where my finger is are from IKEA, and the two cactuses next to it are actually from Aldi's. I've had the one in the white pot for over 3 years now, and the one in the little orange pot I've had for just about 2 months. They're just my little babies, and it's about as much as I can handle with keeping plants alive. And then on the other side I have this lovely sign. It's such a nice sign. On my curtain rail I just have this dream catcher. I've had this for so many years now, and I just can't get rid of it or pull it away. It just needs to stay there. It's always stayed up on my curtain rail, and it just adds a nice touch to my room. And my curtains are actually from Asda. They're bohemian. They're totally my style. They're a nice neutral colour, totally fit the vibe of my room and what I was going for. On my wall I also have these fake antlers. I'm not about the real antlers life, and they add such a nice touch to my room. They totally fit my vibe because I have a stag head over there from Urban Outfitters. I got that so many years ago. So the last section of my room is really hard to show, so I'm just gonna play a lot of B-roll. Next to my TV I just have this fake succulent plant pot. This was from TK Maxx, and it just has a bunch of different succulents in it, which I really like. Next to that I have my Marshall speaker. It's a really amazing speaker. I really enjoy it, and in front I just have the lid for where I'm keeping my makeup brushes. I also have my Crosley record player, which I've had for years now. Then at the very end of my drawers, I have a fake cactus again, a rose gold clock, and my marble lamp. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am so obsessed with my room and I hope you like it too. I hope it gives you some inspiration if you're redecorating your room. I hope you like the vibe. I'm obsessed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not already. Make sure you click that bell. Follow me on all my social media, and I love you guys so much. I hope you're having a great day. Drink some iced coffee today. Stay hydrated. Do all that fun stuff that I love to do too. And I'll see you with another video next week. Bye guys.